In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old Outlook emails older than period. If your inbox has grown out of control, this quick cleanup will help you reclaim space and stay organized. We'll use Outlook on the web because it gives you powerful filters to find and remove older messages in just a few clicks without digging through folders one by one. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. Once your mailbox loads, make sure you're in the folder you want to tidy up, like inbox or sent items. The filter we're about to use respects the folder you're viewing, so choose the spot you actually want to clean. If you prefer to search everything, open the top level mailbox first so the results are broader. At the top of the page, find the search bar. On its right side, click the filters icon. This opens a panel with options that narrow the results. We're focusing on time-based filtering, so look for the date section. Here, you can choose a preset window, like last month or last year, or define a custom range. To remove emails older than a certain period, set an end date that represents your cutoff. For example, if you want to delete anything older than 6 months, choose a date from 6 months ago and set your range to end there. This tells Outlook to show messages that fall before your chosen threshold. With your date range ready, click Search to apply the filter. Outlook will refresh and display only the emails that match. Take a moment to scan the list and make sure the results look right. You can adjust the dates and search again if needed until you're confident you're seeing exactly what you intend to delete. Now select the messages you want to remove. Use the checkbox at the top of the message list to select all visible results. If Outlook shows a banner offering to select all conversations that match the search, use it to capture everything in one go. When you're satisfied with your selection, click the delete icon. The messages will be removed from the current view. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Deleting from a search doesn't permanently erase messages immediately. They typically move to the deleted items folder first, depending on your mailbox settings. This gives you a short safety net in case you change your mind. Also, if you're managing multiple folders, repeat the same filter and delete process in each one to keep everything consistent. That's it. By using the search filters, a precise date range, and a bulk selection, you can quickly delete old Outlook emails older than your chosen period and keep your mailbox lean and manageable.